Hello everyone, I am Praveen Puttaswamy. I am a master's student in construction engineering and management in University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Today I am going to discuss about my research topic, which is cost benefits of green building, including a case study regarding it. Okay, let's start with an abstract. Since buildings are the largest energy units, they are also the main contributors of greenhouse gases, GHG emission. The cost of the project is typically taken into account while making investment decisions. Therefore, this study adopts cost benefits of analysis to emphasize the cost on possible advantages of green building during the course of the project. This can produce an economic evaluation in the field of project appraisal that helps decision makers in government and investor make the best choice. The analysis include two case studies. Case study 1 is of Nepal's public building and case study 2 is of public building in Hong Kong. In the introduction, we are going to learn about what is sustainable or green. Sustainable or green, which utilize resources like water, electricity, land, and material considerably more effectively than those that just adhere to building codes. Due to executive orders issued by American President Joe Biden, there has been an increasing focus on creating green building during the past few years. By utilizing case studies, these research papers provide an analytical assessment of cost and benefits analysis of green building. This specific research study conduct a survey of literature and on the CBA of the public building following the addition of green feature in the country of Nepal. You have three main objectives in this research. The first one is to embrace CBA as one technique for ensuring a project is feasible. The next is to ascertain the cost and advantages of green building technology. And finally, to aid policymakers in creation of policies. Study 1 is done in Nepal. Since it portrays a government office building in Nepal, this proposal was picked. The structure has 4-story, totaling of 1100 square meters each floor, plus a roof area with floor measuring 275 square meters. The structure uses around 500,000 liters of water per year and around 50,000 kilowatt hours of electricity. The information used in the study include both primary data and particular metadata that were gathered from a variety of sources. This project goal is to lower running expenses of public building and cut greenhouse gas emission. The goal of the project is to increase energy efficiency by retrofitting the current structure with a hybrid PV solar panel HPV on the roof. Install RWH technology concurrently to improve the effectiveness of the water supply to the building. This analysis made the premise that the project would reach a cash flow in a year and use the year as the implementation duration. The next case study was in Hong Kong. The GFA convention scheme was launched in 2011 by Hong Kong. In the event that building register for Beam Plus or achieve any of the Beam Plus levels, such as unclassified silver, bronze, gold, or platinum, it grants developer a GFA reduction of around 10%. They must also include the required building elements and adhere the sustainable building design guidelines. At last, in conclusion, green buildings can save a more significant part of operating building cost over the project life cycle. Nevertheless, it is mainly criticized for having a higher upfront cost than a conventional building. The knowledge of cost and benefits is limited chiefly among decision makers and government officials. This research has proposed CBA as one tool for assessment in case of project appraisal of any green building. It uses two case studies to justify the same. These are my references, and thank you everyone.